There you go. Pull me a little piece off there. I like it when it's crispy like that. Little nugget. Crispy, flavorful, super juicy. So folks, Vic's world famous chicken in the cooler giving you a quick late evening Sunday meal. Chicken thighs, chicken breasts on my kettle over charcoal. I'm gonna make it do what it do, baby. I'm gonna make it hot, I'm gonna make it fast, I'm gonna make it good, I'm gonna make it flavorful. And I am using Meat Church. I'm gonna use 3 different ones: honey bacon barbecue, and the Texas sugar one, and the Blanco Meat Church. All right. If you know, first thing we gotta do in the cooler always is wash that meat. So I'll wash that meat and get ready. All right. I'm gonna get a couple of these chicken breasts with this honey bacon barbecue. Get a good coat on that chicken breast, old big, thick, dry rascal. If you don't watch it, it'll be dry as a cardboard. Honey barbecue chicken, throw that to the side. Get a couple thighs and do it in that too. Oh, Meat Church. I like Meat Church season. I went by the store, got every single one of them that I thought I might like. And the ones I didn't get, they had a great special. Buy 9 or 10 for $70. It's a really good deal. All right, that's honey barbecue. Next, gonna do a little Blanco. And this Blanco, man, you can put this Blanco literally on anything. Salt, pepper, and I think it is garlic. So good, man. I cook it with my eggs, put it on my rice with a little butter. I think it's got some kind of butter too in it. Some kind of purified seasoned butter, man. I'll tell you later down in the comments or later on, just to make sure I'm not saying this wrong. But I know there's some type of butter in there too, so. Get some thighs. How was your guys' Christmas? Everybody have a good Christmas? Ready for the new year? Yeah, I did a lot of work in these holidays, but hey, got to get paid. And then a little Texas sugar. Ooh, wrong side. Got to get back on my diet, folks. I kind of let myself go this last month or so, and I got to get it back right. Just don't feel good when you wake up eating all kinds of crappy stuff. Felt good going down, but the next day or that night, it ain't great. I'm not no spring chicken no more, so gotta take better care of myself. Okay, let me get some thighs in here. Man, I almost planned that perfectly. Only got one more thigh in there. And I'm gonna put all the seasonings on that rascal. See what I make. Yeah, I hope Santa Claus was good to y'all. Hope your kids had fun, grandkids, wherever you're at in your life. No kids, spoiled yourself, spoiled your significant other. Whatever you did, I hope it was a blessing. All right. So I got one more thigh left. And I told you what I'm gonna do with that one. Hit it with that. Hit it with that one. Hit it with that one. Flip it over, do it backwards, hit it with that one. that one. And last but not least, and these are the ones I use, folks. Blanco, Texas Sweet, honey, bacon, barbecue. I'm gonna let this chicken sit for a little bit. Let that seasoning sweat in that chicken. Go check my fire. And then, once I get it on, I'll keep you guys in the loop. Let you see how that chicken comes out. Because this is world famous chicken in the cooler. And I'm gonna show you how to make it right. All right. Look at be paying attention, folks, because my grill is hot. Not a little bit hot, raging hot. That's why I'm really putting the chicken on the outsides. Got my new fancy tongs, work real nice.